Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to add custom location on Snapchat. In order to add a custom location on Snapchat, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, you want to open the Snapchat application and log into your account. So here, what I'm going to do is simply, I'm going to go ahead and, what I'm going to do is simply, I'm just going to go ahead and take a random snap. For example, this is the one. After which, what I need to do is, on this field, I just need to go to the sticker icon at the top of the page. And then you could go ahead and look for location. There it is. When you click on the locations button, you could find the place, or you could also go ahead and select, or you could just tap on the search bar. Locate a specific location that you want to add. Now, for example, I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the following option, and what you need to do is here, you just need to adjust it, and this is how you'll be able to add a custom location on Snapchat. Now then you could send the snap, and that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.